If your employees need aggressive winter traction, ICEGRIPS from Winter Walking are the perfect solution. ICEGRIPS are an over-the-shoe sandal that is designed for extensive outdoor winter walking. ICEGRIPS feature aggressive traction in the form of 22 molded-in, high-profile tungsten carbide studs. The studs are surrounded by an aggressively treaded sole for additional traction in snow environments. ICEGRIPS also feature a clean arch and a half-inch defined heel for safer climbing. The upper portion of ICEGRIPS features a patented strap design that create a secure fit and allows the upper straps to be fully removed and replaced in the event of a tear or excessive wear. Available in sizes small to double extra large, ICEGRIPS will fit a wide range of boots and shoes.